In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count how many products are in your Shopify store and collections. Whether you're looking to get a quick overview of your inventory or need to analyze your product stock, following these steps will help you do it efficiently. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Shopify homepage. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, look for the Products tab. Clicking on this will take you to your product overview page, where you can see all the products currently listed in your store. But today we are going beyond just the overview view. Now focus on the URL at the top of your browser. Here's a nifty little trick you might not know. Once you've clicked on products, you'll notice the URL changes. At this point, simply remove any text that comes after the word products in that URL and replace it with the count JSON. Hit enter and voila. You'll see a JSON file pop up displaying the count of all products currently in your store. It's that simple. Now you know a little secret that provides an instant overview of your entire inventory. Next, let's move on to see how we can do the same for collections in your store. Head back to the Shopify dashboard and look for the Collections tab. Click on it and this will show you a list of all the collections that you have set up. Once again, let's turn our attention to the browser URL bar. You'll see a URL string associated with whichever collection you choose. In this URL, locate the part featuring an ID that correlates to that specific collection. Append JSON to the end of this URL string, then press enter. What you'll find is another JSON file, much like the one we saw earlier, but this time it reveals the count of products in that specific collection. The process is direct and efficient, making it easy to get the information you need without having to sift through endless spreadsheets or reports. It's especially useful if you're managing a large catalog, as these counts can give you quick insights into each segment of your store. Now remember, using JSON files isn't just for tech-savvy people or developers, it's something anyone can do to make managing your Shopify store a bit easier. It's a great tool to have in your arsenal, especially for small business owners wanting to keep things streamlined and simple. By following these steps, you'll not only save time, but also gain a clearer understanding of your store's inventory. Don't hesitate to use these techniques to enhance your store management. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling.